not blaming him right now. He was on the couch the whole time. No.
You did this, didn't you?
Nope, not me. Her.
Are you kidding me right now? Who wanted this? As soon as you start yelling at me, I know you were both in on this. Yes, you got chicken on your paws.
No, press with your palms, not your claws. Like this, see? Gentle, then fold. Hey, I'm just trying to help. Fold, turn, then push. You're tearing it. Nobody makes bread that way, okay? Ow! Oh my! You just slapped me.
You put him in the bucket.
What happened here? Honey, what did you do? Yes, you got chicken on your paws. Oh no! Oh my gosh.
Huh?
What?
What did you do? You're a monster!
And they're lifting your hips up towards the ceiling.
Okay, you're gonna get hurt.
Milo.